Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my kitchen, or welcome if you are new. Today I am going to get a creamy Italian chicken going in the crock pot. And this has to be in here for, I don't know, probably 6 hours. So I'm going to spray my crock pot with non-stick cooking spray. And I'm going to put in 3 nice sized chicken breasts. And then I'm going to sprinkle a packet of zesty Italian seasoning mix on it. I'm going to get both sides. And you can just use the regular Italian mix. It doesn't have to be zesty. And that's all there is to it for right now. So I'm going to put the lid on this. I'm going to turn the crock pot on low. And I'll bring you back in about 5 or 6 hours to show you the rest. Okay, you guys, it is time to continue on with our creamy Italian chicken. And I just wanted to mention that I'm getting this recipe from Megan over at Megan's Kitchen, if you want to check that out. And what I'm going to do now is cut up this into bite-sized pieces. Okay, now we are going to stir this up. This is just the juices from the chicken and that Italian seasoning mix. And now we are going to add a can of cream of chicken soup. That mixed around in there. And then an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. We're going to let this cook for another hour. Meantime, I am going to make up a recipe that my mom used to make when I was a child growing up. And yesterday would have been my mom's 84th birthday. So, I don't know. She's been weighing heavy on my mind lately. And this is one of the things that I thought of. My mom's been gone for 6.5 years now. So yeah, this is something that I've just been thinking about her and all that stuff. So in here, I'm going to get 4 tablespoons of butter. And I need to preheat my oven to 325. And I am going to saute 1 medium onion and about a half a cup of celery. Took these out of the freezer, so they're kind of wet. Add the onion and celery. And we need 10 slices of bread that we're going to cube up. I don't know if she used dry bread or not, but I dried mine out. I put it on a sheet and just set it in the oven that was still warm after I got done using it this morning, because I don't like my bread too mushy. Okay, these are looking good. Now we want 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm just going to use a half. And then we want a teaspoon of sage. Teaspoon. Yes, teaspoon of sage. Then we are going to add a can of chicken and rice soup. And a half a can of water. We're going to give this a good stir. Okay. Dump this in the greased casserole dish. And this is going to bake for 1 hour. So by the time this is done, this should be done. Okay, you guys, dinner is ready. I mashed the potatoes off of camera. I just mashed it with butter and heavy whipping cream. And here is this everyday dressing that my mom always made. Well, I don't know about always, but I do remember her making it. And then our Italian, creamy Italian chicken here. And this is all good, and cream cheese is all melted in there. We have another bowl of fruit salad left over from last night. And I am going to put the chicken right over the potatoes. This smells really good. There you have it. Creamy Italian chicken over mashed potatoes and everyday dressing. And a bowl of fruit salad. That's what's for dinner tonight. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. We'll see you next time. Bye.